In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for automation. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below. I tend to reply within a few hours to a couple of minutes, and any links I use in the video can be found in the description. Before we get started, just a quick ad letting you know that if you are looking for further automation training on content creation, freeing up your time, and removing yourself from your business relying more on systems, head over to brainyautomations.com, where I teach exactly how you can do these things. First, we need to understand what ChatGPT is. Now, you might be asking what's all the fuss about ChatGPT, and to put simply, it's kind of like having your own personal assistant who is an expert in almost anything. You can do numerous things with it, like quiz me on world capitals, and then it will start giving you some questions to which you can reply to. But ultimately, ChatGPT is well known for its conversational interaction. When you go to Google and type a question in, you need to search through mounds of information, whereas with ChatGPT, it will give you a direct answer as if you were talking to a friend. One of the first things that you can do with ChatGPT is analyze data. So if we go to a new chat, we can upload a file from our computer, and this file will have a bunch of transactions and debits and credits in it. So we could simply say, what is the turnover for April? And now it's going to analyze the document, start understanding what's inside it, and then it will give you a list of breakdown of all of that data. You can use this for numerous different things like table data, CSV files, PDF. If it's readable and in a document, the chances are ChatGPT can help you with it. ChatGPT can be used for practical everyday life, not just business stuff. So an example of this is we can upload an image of a flat tire. We can ask ChatGPT a question about the picture, and it will understand what the picture is and give us an answer. So here's an example. We've just uploaded a picture of a flat tire, and I'll say my car won't drive properly. What has happened here and how do I fix it? Instantly it said it looks like your car has a flat tire, which is quite the observation. And now it's giving me a step-by-step guide on how to fix the flat tire. So step 1, safety first, do this, and this. 2, gather the tools, and it's giving us all the tools needed. 3, prep the car. 4, loosen the lug nuts, etc. You can see it's giving us a detailed plan of action on how we can fix this car, but this doesn't need to just be applied to personal life. You can do this in a professional life as well. So the options really are limitless using just this single feature. Another thing you can do with ChatGPT is connect it to no-code tools like Zapier. And for those of you who don't know what no-code tools is, it's basically having the power of a coder and a programmer, but instead of needing to know code or programming, you can just click and drop different softwares together and harness the power of each other in a very tech-friendly way. Let me show you what this looks like with ChatGPT. Inside Zapier, we'll do create and then new Zap. We will connect our YouTube channel, and when there's a new video by search, and let's just say ChatGPT, we'll do continue, test trigger, and we've got all of our details here. We've got lots of different videos that have just been published. Next, we can do continue, and inside the search, we can now connect ChatGPT. So we'll click ChatGPT, and we can ask it to do certain things. In this video, I'll just keep it simple and say we want a conversation, do continue, and the user message can be something in the lines of come up with 5 different video titles. And then we can say here is the title, and we can add the title of the YouTube video. We'll then do continue and then test step. And within a couple of seconds, we now have 5 different titles. And whilst this is a simplistic approach to using ChatGPT with no code tools, you can do a massive amount of things such as create blogs, draft emails, reformat things, and get super creative like what I show inside my Brainy Automations area. Another great thing about ChatGPT and automation is you can actually install other people's GPTs, which is task-oriented bots inside ChatGPT that's using other people's framework. And you can connect a whole bunch of tools like Canva, for example, where you can effortlessly design anything such as presentations, logos, social media posts, or you could even be tutored and you can install the bot just by clicking on it, and then you can click start chat. Now, what we've gone through today is just scratching the surface of ChatGPT and automations. If you're looking for something specific, go ahead and drop that below. You never know, I might just create a video on it. If you have any questions, again, drop them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.